The public worker option form for the Barbados Optional Savings Scheme BOSS is now available for completion by public workers. Visit gisbarbados.gov.bb and navigate to the banner for the BOSS resource page. In order to complete this form, it will be necessary to know your net salary. To obtain this information, visit this link. To find your BOSS allocation, review the BOSS calculation sheet, locate the column that reads monthly salary range, identify the range within which your net salary falls. Put the bond allocation on the first line, My Bond Allocation Is. Choose the option you want. If you are satisfied with your bond allocation, then check Keep All of My Bond Allocation. If you don't want the allocation and wish for all to be transferred into cash to be paid at payday, check this box and fill in the complete allocation. If you want less than your allocation, also check this box. The third choice is if you want more than your allocation, go back to the chart and see the maximum you can request. For instance, if you want $100 in bonds, then your monthly allocation would be $100 plus your allocation. Fill out your personal information at the top of the form. Click button to submit and sign. When asked for a ministry, department or agency's verification email address and the name of the verifier, which is the person responsible for your payroll, click the link on the info page. Once you've signed, it remains a standing order unless you decide to change the form. Visit gisbarbados.gov.bb and navigate to the banner for the BOSS resource page.